Sino yung nakakasagot? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Red,
Okay, fourth runner-up!
ito talaga po.
Konfirmado. Bakil-bakil na naman. Sige, tingnan mo kung sino mo magbabakil-bakil ba dyan.
Ay, bakit ba?
Fourth runner-up! Esteban nga pa! Ay, bubugin ko Joki, oh!
Box ka na lang ka.
Okay! Third runner-up! Let's face again.
Red, Choki. Red.
Third runner-up! Hindi na naman nakasagot ko.
Ala!
Third runner-up! Angela Vista! Kinabahan nila. Okay!
Carry na yung Mother's Choki, oh.
Second runner-up!
Nabutan na yung
Second runner-up, nadaan sa totality.
Ah!
Runner-up, Cecilia Buloco.
Top inang yun. Nabutan ng buzzer eh.
Okay.
Isa lang ano.
First runner-up.
God's favorite yan.
First runner-up.
God's favorite ikaw yan, Bem Bem.
All the way from Venezuela. First runner-up. Diana Mendoza. And receive 150,000 pesos. Confirm. Saka magta-title. Miss Universe 2011 goes to...
Ay, wala!
Balik mo dun. The winner is...
Palitan!
The winner is... Apat na! Confirm, hindi nakakuda.